So here we have small sandy beach, and there is a sign that says Sandön right here. And this is pure sand, as you can see, but I guess more sand will be on the side that I'm heading to right now, right here. So let's explore this beautiful island, Stora Sandön. You can feel that the whole island is built on sand. There is like sand here while I'm walking, which is good because I'm barefoot and only my swimsuit. It's a bit chilly after the swim, but it will be a lot nice when I get some sun on the other side, if there is such. So bear with me as we walk to the big sandy beach at Stora Sandön. Oh, we have blueberries also. So we can pick some to eat. Oh, they are huge also as well. Let's get one more. Look at that, blueberries. There were a lot of blueberries here. Wow, these are huge. For Swedish standards, at least, in the forest. Amazing. Now, 14-minute swim is waiting me on the way back as well. To be fair, I think it's less than 500 meters, as I was swimming basically with one hand breaststroke. But yeah, still, it's a bit of a distance, and you need to obviously be aware of the boats that are passing by. More blueberries. This whole island is filled with blueberries, it seems. And they have at least a path here to walk also. Oh my god, I haven't seen so many blueberries in the mainland. Why there are so many here? It's so amazing. So people can obviously come here with their boat and camp here, or by kayak also as well, and they can camp here and then eat blueberries also. Quite a nice island. There is basically sand here where I'm also walking. That's why it's called Stora Sandön, the big sandy island. Right. Okay, I'm still walking. So it's not that far actually from the spot where I ended up to the main sand beach. Will be probably around 5 minutes walk. Lots of big trees also as well. Lots of shadow you can find. And I'm getting closer and closer now. And I realize this is going to be a very long episode if I don't cut it in 2 parts. But yeah, as I suspected, lots of people on boats here, as it is quite amazing. see what we have here. Sandön. Look at the sand, it's amazing. Stora Sandön with so many boats today. Alright, so let's then make a beach adventure here at Stora Sandön in Värmdö. Greetings from Stora Sandön. This island in Värmdö. It has a beautiful sandy beach that's facing north, and it will have sun the whole beach later in the day, but now it's half filled with shadow because of the forest behind. And I got here to this island by swimming 500 meters from the mainland of Värmdö, and I have been walking through the forest here, and I'm now at this beautiful sandy beach that's quite crowded today because it is a very nice sunny day in Stockholm on this 1st of August. We have 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 degrees Celsius in the sea. We have here many boats, as you can see, in this beautiful nature right here at Stora Sandön. So yes, it is time then for this adventure with Chris and my swim here at Stora Sandön. Funny enough, I'm now actually on a rock despite this being called the big sandy island. But right now I am now stepping on sand, and this is pure sand that you can see like on the beach there. So quite nice indeed. Look at that. Crystal clear water out on the Baltic Sea. Beautiful indeed. Alright, that means that we can take a swim here at Stora Sandön and enjoy this beautiful day out on the sea in this beach adventure with Chris. So let's then take a swim together. Let's go! Amazing indeed. Amazing. Huh. Quite nice. Look at that. It was worth it to swim here to this island so that I can show you as well on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Alright, so yes, 1st of August, reached the number 111 from my Sweden Beach Adventures from Stora Sandön. So yes, I'm actually heading this weekend to another country for beach adventures. So let's see how it's going to be that. So this is the first beach adventure now from Sweden, and then I'm going to resume the beach adventures in Stockholm, Sweden on Monday, after having the weekend trip to another country that you're gonna see on my channel. But yeah, that's a wrap then from Stora Sandön here in Värmdö, the beach adventure. Now I actually have to swim back to the main island, to the mainland of Värmdö, of around 500 meters. So wish me luck for that. But until then, greetings from Stora Sandön, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.